Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can verify your Freebyz account, because without verifying your account you will not be able to withdraw any amount of money you earn on this platform. Even though you do some tasks, you will not be able to withdraw your money to your local bank account. And also this platform allows you to withdraw to any local bank account, even though you are in Nigeria or Ghana or any country. You will be able to withdraw it directly to your local bank account. And also I have a good news for you, that Freebyz has the app. Now you can go to the Play Store to download the app, and also you can make use of the website to make use of it. So right now I'm going to tap on Freebyz. I'm going to show you how to verify free. So you can see FREEBYZ, Freebyz. And then you can see I'm going to come here. I'm going to log in with my second account. I'm just making use of that account to verify. You can sign in to just do some theory and tutorials. So you can see accounts not verified, fund your wallet to get verified. So right now you can see this place. If maybe you just register, you are not going to see this people, you are going to see a guideline that show, okay, create your account. So when you create your account, you're going to see this account, Wema Bank account. That is where you can check. So you can make use of this to fund your wallet. You can see 0 to fund your wallet. Let me just tap on it. So you can see fund wallet. So after funding your wallet, it's going to reflect later, and then you come to this page, tap on verify. So let me just fund wallet. So if you want to use, you tap on 3,000. Just actual amount, the actual amount, don't add any charges. If I say virtual account, it's going to type and continue. So the accounts, the Wema account is going to pump up. You can see my name. You can see my name. So funds will credit automatically once payment is confirmed. So you can see, then you tap on done. You go to your phone and transfer. So the other ways you can do it again now is you just tap right to 3,000 and then come to this page tag and then tap on continue. So I'm using the system. You're using a system, you can just scan or bank. Okay, you can select the bank. Use Access Bank, just select the bank, write your account number, and you are going to be debit. Write your account number and you're going to be debit. So after sending the money, this place, this 00 is going to change to 3,000. Then you come to this place, then you tap on verify account. You can see the amount will be deducted from your wallet balance. Verify your account. Verify user can withdraw. You can see verify user can withdraw funds and access payment features. You can see, then you tap on accept. You can see in Shopify wallet, you need at least 3,000 to verify your account. So that is how you can verify your account. Very simple and very easy. So if you want to try with Freebyz, I'm going to drop a link in the description below. Just click on the link to sign up and also verify your account. I'm going to drop a code. Make use of my code, because you're going to have access to my group. I'll add you to my group, explain different ways you can make use of this platform to earn money. If the video is helpful, kindly share and like and subscribe. So on your notification button, whenever I post a video on how you can make use of a smartphone to earn money, you will be the first person to be notified. So thank you and God bless you. Peace out.